Good afternoon, everybody. David at Crow's Pass Farm. It is February 2nd. Haven't really put out a shout out lately, so he's gonna touch base with you, let you know what's going on here on the farm. During the winter, we don't harvest a lot, but there's always lots to be done here, no doubt about that. Just want to point out apricot trees here, February 2nd, already flowered. Has been warm enough for bees, so these trees have been pollinated. But unfortunately, it's so early in the season, and the season's been so abnormally warm that they flowered early. And my guess is we're going to see some frost, we're going to see a little bit of rain, and prospects of getting good fruit out of these trees is pretty small at the moment. I don't hold out much hope for that. Only 5 trees for us, experimental trees, so it's not that huge of a deal. If I had a couple acres of these trees, I'd be sweating right now. Another little item we do this time of year is with our apples. Time to prune the apple trees. You can see they're bare this time of year, deciduous trees. And what you'll see is a lot of chickens working underneath the trees. That is for the codling moth that is a huge problem for apple growers. This time of year they're in a larval stage in all the leaf litter underneath the trees. So we bring in these chickens, and you can see they just work underneath those trees all day long. It's about an acre patch of trees right here, and in 3 weeks they've pretty much cleaned it out. So we should be codling moth free this summer. This week we're going to take all these chickens and move them down to the next patch of apple trees where there's another acre of trees, and we'll be pruning down there, shaping the trees for more fruit, and letting the chickens do their thing. Fertilizing, cleaning out bugs, insects, eating weeds, so they're not flowering for future weed growth. So not a lot of harvesting, like I said, but there's always lots to be done here on the farm. This is David at Crow's Pass Farm. Eat something good tonight.